Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this Approved Used Volkswagen.
This is the ID.3 first edition, finished in a lovely Glacier white metallic paint, and it features the Pro Performance 204 PS battery, giving you a range of up to 260 miles from a full charge, so a perfect balance of performance and economy. You'll have peace of mind motoring with the Approved Used benefits, which includes 2 years warranty and much more. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got 4 LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Running down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 19-inch Andoya black alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding and heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. Moving to the rear, you have a huge amount of boot space available and split folding seats, including a low-through hatch for any longer items, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. Moving inside, you get this lovely two-tone upholstery with ISOFIX points in the outer seats and a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders. Your rear passenger has also got a couple of USB ports in the back to charge the devices. At the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel and a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant Android Auto and Apple CarPlay systems, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got the ambient lighting pack available as well. So these preset light themes and also multiple colours to choose from that transforms the interior while driving at night. And to help with parking, as well as front and rear parking sensors, you'll also benefit from a rear view camera as well. You've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust. You also benefit from a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And you've also got the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, such as lane assist and much more. There's even multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Running down the centre, you've got wireless phone charging and also a couple of USB ports, as well as plenty of storage there as well.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.